Hi guys, you are watching my Wordpress series, and today I will tell you all the things about server, what is server, how the server works, and how you can buy the server. And I will also tell you that how you can install a localhost in your computer and run your website on localhost. So let's begin to watch the video to know all that things. Hi guys, you are watching the fourth episode of my Wordpress series, and if you did not watch the previous three videos of this series, so must watch that videos because if you don't watch that videos, you will not able to understand what I am explaining in this video. So must watch that videos, and I hope that you all are fine and sound. So let's begin towards our today video. Our today video is about the server, basically like what is server and what are types of server, how many types of server, and last I will tell you that how you can install localhost in your computer and how you can run your website on localhost, how you can install WordPress on localhost. Okay, so let's begin to work out topic. First of all, we will discuss the server. I will explain you this from an example or picture because without picture you can't able to understand. Okay, so let's take the picture. Yes, so we will increase the size. Yeah. This is the picture. This is the best example of, you can say, a server and client system. What is server? Server is a main computer, a software, a hardware which provides facilities to other computer in the network. For example, in this picture, you can see that this is a server, and this provides services to that all six computers. Okay, this is the small network of six computers, and is a main computer, or you can say hardware or software, which provides services to other computers in the network. So a server is a main computer which provides facility to other computer. This is the simple definition of server. So what's a type of server? There are different types of server, like file server. How it works? File server works like, if you want, like if this computer want to access any file, so that file is stored in server, and server keep that file to that it enables that anyone can access that file. So all the computers can access that files stored in the server. Okay, DAG servers are called file server. Another example of server is application server. If this computer wants to access any application which is stored in the server, so server allows that all computers in the network to use that application. If server allows, then all the computers can use that application. So that's how the server helps the other computers. Another example, web server. For example, my website. How you can make a web server? For example, on my website, all the data, images, video, graphics which I used in my website is stored in server, any server. So when you search my website from your computer, so this server, when you search about my website HTTP, so you access the my website. So that server gives you the my website and transfer all the data which you searched for to your computer, and you will find which you want. You will find my website, and you will came to know about all the information which you want to know. Okay, so that's how the web server works. Server stores the website, and when any computer in the network want to access the website, search about it, and the server gives it all the information. Okay, that's how the web server works. Now comes to a database server. For example, this computer in the network wants to access the any movie and want to listen any music, so it search and the database, and search and database shows it that music, that particular movie which he or she search about. For example, when you go on YouTube, this is the very short, small network. Uh, Database network is basically for big, large networks like YouTube. When you search any name of any movie or song on YouTube, it will show that song, that particular song which you search about, and that movie which you want to listen and which you want to watch. So when you search, the database server gives you that information, gives you the thing which you want. Okay, that's how the server and client system work. I will explain you in the simple with a simple example. Okay, is that basically the we will discuss the two questions: what is server and types of server. So now discuss the some limitations and what are the, you can say, advantages. First of all, you have to know that server have to turn on for 24/7. Without, if servers, if there's any problem in server, this is a limitation that if there's any problem in server, all the computers in the network can't access to the information. So that's why you know the term, you came to know that the term that server is down. So there's pressure on server, so you can't able to access the information. This means that the server is can't able to handle all the customers, all the users which want to access the information. So there are servers, big servers stored in different places, different organizations, different companies have big servers which contain all the information data. For example, if you share a picture on Facebook 10 years ago, so your picture is stored in the database in the server of the Facebook. So if there's any problem in server of Facebook, there are various backups. There's a very less chance of the crashing the server. But if the server is being down, so you can't access the any app, for example like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, if the server is down of that website. So that's the server that we can say where all the store with all the data which you want to access is stored. That is called server, and server plays a very important role. Server plays a role of backbone in the net, in the world of internet, because without server, if all the servers of world crashed, so you don't able to access a single you don't able to even search a single information on internet, because all the things are ranked on the server, because server gives you that information which you want. So from this you can see the importance of the server, that how much server is important in the world of internet. Okay, so it is a backbone of, you can say, internet. So now come towards the XAMPP, on which we will run our WordPress. We will make our website on local server. Okay, because for being to live by our website, we have to buy the server, and we from where we buy server. We can't turn on our computer, because our computer are simple computers. For example, I am using my processor is the processor of my computer is i5. So these processors are not able to handle all the like big things, to handle a big website. So they are servers, and we buy servers which gives us space, and we buy servers from different companies. Servers basically hosting, the hosting which we buy from Hostinger, Blue, different companies Hostinger, from which where we buy the hosting. When we buy hosting, basically we are buying the server of their company, where there is space, and we upload our website. We upload our data information on that place, so all the users can access that information 24/7. Our computer are not turned on for like 24/7 hours, but the servers are on, and there's also backup if there's a shortage of if the power supply cut down. There's a backup for it. There's if there's any problem in hardware, if there's any problem in the hard disk, so there are backup for all these problems. So the world of internet is basically running on that servers, you can say. Okay, now come towards that how you can run your website on for being to live your website, you have to buy server. And now we are not buying the server in start, we will buy the server at the last. I will tell you that how you can buy server, how you can buy hosting to make your website live. But in start, we will make and we will run our website on local server, for to which only we can see. On local server, the we can only we can see our website. So to for local server, we will install, to enable the local server in our computer. We will install the XAMPP software. You can search XAMPP, download. When you search XAMPP, you can find and get up download XAMPP. You can see what is XAMPP. Here you can see that what is XAMPP. XAMPP is a free and open source platform uh, developed by Apache, and mainly it is used, as I told you before, that it is used to run our website on local server. So we have to download it. So when you open that link of XAMPP download, you open, that page will come, will be sure will show you. So you have to click on the first link. There are three versions. You can download which you want. So we will download the first one. And we click on download. Close this page. It will take 5 seconds. Wait for it, and then you will see here. It is the file of almost 140 MB, so it takes some time. Also wait for it. Here you can see we have downloaded the file. So now let's go in downloads folder, and here you will find that you will you have to run that. Double click on this, click on yes. You don't have to change anything. Welcome to XAMPP. You have to click OK. Next, you have to check all these boxes. Next, next. Okay. You can change the folder. I have downloaded the that I have XAMPP. I have extracted the XAMPP, so that's why it is not downloading my computer. So you have to extract or download by clicking next, then it is downloaded. Or I will change the folder for you to tell you how you can do it. We will do it in E. Next. Okay, it is giving the warning that we have downloaded that file. Okay, so yes, when you download that from that file, that that file is extracted from, and from the file that you downloaded. So when you double click on it, that's the folder XAMPP. You have to download it in C folder. When you open it, our main work is in that htdocs file. Here you can find htdocs. Double click on it. Here our main focus is the htdocs. This is the main file which is the important for us. Okay. So in next video I will tell you that how we will download the WordPress and how we will run our website and start it to, and in the next video we will start to make a website, and I will also tell you that how you can make a database. Okay, so I will make you in next video with more information, and more I will bring more education for you. So wait for next video, meet you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.